going to study about amines. As you know that NH3 is the molecular formula for ammonia. It is the molecular formula of ammonia where one of the hydrogen atom, it's not compulsory to remove only one hydrogen, all the three hydrogen atom also is replaced by an alkyl or aryl group, then the newly formed compounds are called as amines. So the definition of amines, we may say the organic compound which is a nitrogenous organic compound containing dash NH2 group as a functional group. जिन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड के अंदर NH2 ग्रुप फंक्शनल ग्रुप बोलकर बिहेव होता है, ऐसे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स को अमाइंस बोलते हैं. द अमाइनो ग्रुप NH2 group carrying organic compounds are called as amines. This is the first definition. Second definition is in front of you. The alkyl derivatives of ammonia are called as amines. As one of the hydrogen atom of this ammonia is replaced by alkyl group, then it is called as amines. So the second definition is the alkyl derivatives of ammonia are called as amines. The first simplest definition is the organic nitrogenous compound which contain NH2 group as a functional group are called as amines. Okay. Third definition, the conceptual definition is there. You know RNO2. This is RNO2 is nothing but a general formula for nitroalkane or nitro compound. Okay, when RNO2 is the general formula for nitroalkane, when we have to reduce it, reduce करना बोले तो nascent hydrogen इसके अंदर add करना है. In presence of a strong reducing agent, sodium borohydride, you may take lithium aluminium hydride or stannous in concentrated HCl. You take 6 nascent hydrogens, then there is a removal of these 2 oxygen atom in the form of 2 water molecules, and now the remaining 2 nascent hydrogens are attached to this nitrogen and this NO2 group is converted into NH2 group. So these are nothing but amines. So the third definition for the amines is the reduction products of nitroalkanes are called as amines. When you have to completely reduce the nitroalkane, NO2 group में के दो ऑक्सीजन जब reduce हो जाएंगे in the form of water, it get removed as a byproduct, then remaining 2 hydrogen atom is attached to this nitrogen and there is a formation of amine. So the third definition, last definition is the reduction products of nitroalkanes are called as amines. Okay, these amines are present in hormones, these amines are present in vitamins, any kind of biomolecule that contain nitrogenous compound, particularly amines. Amines are also present in the alkaloid like caffeine, nicotine. Okay. Now, question arises, what is the classification of amine? You know, amines are nothing but the alkyl derivative of ammonia. There are different criteria to classify the amines. First criteria to classify the amine is the nature of. पहला criteria क्या है? The nature of alkyl or aryl group attached to the nitrogen atom of amine. नाइट्रोजन एटम को अमाइन के जो भी अल्काइल या अराइल ग्रुप अटैच है, यानी कि कार्बन स्केलेटन अटैच है, कार्बन चेन अटैच है, उसके नेचर से 2 types of amines are there. This is a broad classification. Broadly, there are 2 types of amine. As the NH2 group or amino group is attached to the alkyl group, as the NH2 group or amino group is attached to the aromatic group, then such type of amines in which the amino group NH2 group is attached to the aliphatic open chain alkyl group are called as aliphatic amines, and the amines in which dash NH2 group is attached to the closed chain aromatic ring, then such type of amines are called as aromatic amines. So there are 2 main types of amines depending upon the nature of carbon skeleton attaches to the amino group. Those are aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. Okay. So the example of aliphatic amine is NH3 CH3NH2. This is called methyl amine. CH3 is a methyl group and this is amine. So it is called methyl amine. Another example, CH3CH2NH2. It is called ethyl amine. Ethyl amine. ये another example है. And aromatic amine, the simple aromatic compound is our benzene. When benzene group is attaches to amino group, or amino group is directly attaches to benzene or its derivatives, then no doubt these are the aromatic amine. And in IUPAC as well as common name system, this most primary aromatic amine is called aniline or aminobenzene, or it also called benzeneamine. Benzeneamine is also the another name. Aniline or benzeneamine, one at the same. Okay, so this is the broad classification depending upon the nature of carbon chain or carbon skeleton attaches to the NH2 group or amino group or to the nitrogen atom of amine, functional group of amine. Okay, the second criteria is the nature of. The second criteria is the number of alkyl or aryl group. देखो, number of alkyl or aryl groups attaches to the nitrogen atom of amine. कितने हैं? Suppose such kind of amine is there. This is another kind of amine, and this is third kind of amine. What happens? What you have to see all in this case, there is only one alkyl. It's not compulsory to attach the alkyl group. It should be the aromatic group also, aryl group also. Okay. But only one alkyl or aryl group when attaches to the nitrogen atom of amine, then such kind of amines are called as primary amines. When two may or may not be same, alkyl or aryl groups are attaches to the nitrogen atom of amine, then such type of amines are called as secondary amines. And when three same or different alkyl or aryl groups are attaches to the nitrogen atom of amine, then they are called as tertiary amines. So depending upon the number, not nature, number of alkyl or aryl group attaches to the nitrogen atom of amine, there are three main types of amines. Those are primary amine, in which only one alkyl or aryl group is attached to the nitrogen atom of amine. The secondary amines are those in which two same or different alkyl or aryl groups are attached to the nitrogen atom of amine. They are called as secondary amine. And the tertiary amines are those in which the three same or different alkyl or aryl groups are directly attached to the nitrogen atom of amine. So this is regarding with the classification depending upon the number of alkyl और aryl groups attached to the nitrogen atom. पहले इसमें हमने एलिफेटिक है या एरोमेटिक है, इसे दो टाइप का अमाइन देखे, एलिफेटिक अमाइन एंड एरोमेटिक अमाइन. सेकंड क्राइटेरिया के अंदर नंबर ऑफ अल्काइल और अराइल ग्रुप्स अटैचेस टू. अब थर्ड क्राइटेरिया जो है, डेफिनेटली दिस थर्ड क्राइटेरिया इज यूज्ड फॉर द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शियरी अमाइन्स ओनली. व्हेन एग्जैक्टली टू सेम अल्काइल और अराइल ग्रुप, एग्जैक्टली टू सेम, दैट इज टू बी इम्पोर्टेंट वन. Exactly two same, maybe alkyl group or maybe aryl group, when attaches to the nitrogen atom, then such kind of amines are called as simple amines, or they may called as, in another word, symmetrical amines. Simple amines or symmetrical amines. Who? Those amines which contain two or three also same अल्काइल और अराइल ग्रुप. समझिए तीनों के तीन अराइल ग्रुप है या दो अराइल ग्रुप सेम है, तो ऐसे दोनों ही कंडीशन में हम ऐसे काइंड्स ऑफ अमाइंस को सिंपल अमाइन या सिमेट्रिकल अमाइन कहेंगे. लेकिन अगर एक आर है दूसरा आर डैश है, मतलब दे आर नॉट सेम, दे आर टू बी डिफरेंट. ओके, एक अल्काइल, दो अराइल ग्रुप है, एक अल्काइल ग्रुप है, दे आर नॉट सेम. सपोज वन इज आर, अनदर इज आर डैश, थर्ड वन इज R double dash. So R is not equal to R dash is not equal to R double dash. All these cases, they are called as mixed amines. Mixed amines. Or in another word, they are called as unsymmetrical amine. Clear? अगर दो या तीन अल्काइल ग्रुप या अराइल ग्रुप which are attached to the nitrogen atom are exactly same, identical, then such kinds of amines are simple amine or symmetrical amine. And opposite to that of, if two or three different alkyl or aryl groups are attached to the nitrogen atom, then such kind of amines are called as mixed amines or unsymmetrical amine. So these are different criteria to classify the amines in detail. पहले criteria में nature of carbon skeleton, दूसरे criteria के अंदर number of alkyl or aryl group, and third criteria which is only applied to the secondary and tertiary amine, not to the primary amine. Secondary and tertiary amine डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ अल्काइल और अराइल ग्रुप, अगर सेम है, तीनों भी सेम है या दो सेम है, तो ऐसे अमाइंस को सिंपल या सिमेट्रिकल अमाइन बोलना. अगर 2 या 3 डिफरेंट अल्काइल या अराइल ग्रुप अटैच है तो उनको मिक्स्ड अमाइंस बोलना. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ अमाइन. लेट अस टेक सम एग्जांपल लेटर ऑन. वी टेक द nomenclature system of amine. First of all, the examples of that. A simple example of simple amine is, see, both the two same alkyl groups are attached. Those are methyl. So it is a dimethylamine come under the classification of simple or symmetrical amine. Suppose 3 exactly same CH3 group means methyl groups are attached. So it is trimethylamine. Suppose C2H5, 2 C2H5 groups are attached to the central nitrogen atom, then it is called diethylamine. Diethylamine. Suppose here C2H5 taken thrice N means, taken thrice means 3 C2H5 group, ethyl groups are attached to the nitrogen atom. So it is called triethylamine. It is also the example of simple amines. All these are the example of simple amine. Just carefully you have to see all these examples. As they contain exactly same alkyl or aryl 2 or 3 groups, then such kinds of amines are called as simple amine or symmetrical amine. Suppose one is methyl and another group is ethyl, then alphabetically we can say ethyl methyl amine, and this ethyl methyl amine is nothing but a mixed amine. Non-identical alkyl group are attached to dissimilar alkyl groups are attached to the central nitrogen atom. Suppose here C2H5 is here. Okay, so the name of this amine is ethyl dimethyl amine. Or recently, this is a whole group. In the oldest rule, there is a alphabetical order between the names of alkyl group itself. But now this dimethyl itself is a group, so the alphabetical order also followed. Hence it is dimethyl, ethyl amine. Both are the possible common names. Okay, suppose there is one ethyl group, another CH3 means methyl, and third one is C3H7 means propyl. So the alphabetically it can write as ethyl methyl propyl amine. Okay, so this is regarding with the mixed amine. The another example, suppose an aromatic ring is attached to the nitrogen. Aromatic ring. Okay, no doubt this is a simple amine because 2 phenyl rings are attached. So it is a diphenyl. The name is diphenylamine. Suppose 3 phenyl rings are attached. C6H5 taken thrice N. इसको ऐसा ही लिखेंगे, स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला है, मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला है. सो 3 है इसलिए ट्राई, फिनाइल है इसलिए फिनाइल एंड अमाइन. सो इट इज ट्राइफिनाइल अमाइन. नेक्स्ट वन, सपोज देयर इज one phenyl ring and another methyl ring. So the name of this compound is methyl phenyl amine. Okay, friend. So all these are the example of mixed amines. Clear? Okay. This is a mixed amine. This is a simple amine. Simple amine. Okay. Clear? Okay. So this is classification. Now, nomenclature of amine we will study later on.